All right. Have you ever thought about going camping these days and, setting up your tent on the floor? Creatures, animals, bugs, all that stuff happens. Now, I'm going to show you something about you. You're going to require one thing, not just a camping house. You could set this up besides the truck, but you could set it up on your truck too. So we're going to set this camping house on a truck, including with the bag. Look at this. Can't get portable on this, right? Doesn't take that much space. You got the sticks here to line them up. You just need the truck and the bed, and you're ready to go have camping. All right, this summer's gonna be great. Might as well make it even better with your family. All you got to do is get an inflatable bed, put it in there, have the night of your life. So let's set it up and then show you how it works. So just to guys let you know, there's instructions in the bag, right? Back and forward instructions. Very simple. Sometimes they say to build this on the outside and then you pour it over to the actual flatbed, but it's very simple. You are going to need the cross rods, and they even give you instructions how to cross them here. You're going to get three of them. All right, you got the A version and then the C version. All right, so you got three rods that you got to worry about. Once you cross them, all you got to do is carry it in there and set it up. So let's go ahead and set this up and show you guys how it works. All right, let me show you the final product, how it looks. All right, so right now we built it on the floor. We haven't even hooked it up on the truck. You got plenty of windows here. Now this rod was giving us a little trouble because it's not in instructions. This is a rod that you have to put across so it can extend into your outside. Right now I'm going to show you a little bit around, and you got to be careful. We haven't tied it down. It's a little windy today, but my preference is built it on the floor, and then we're going to put it together and we're going to tie it up on the truck, and I'm going to show you how. So we're going to open it up to see how deep it is, and we're going to have somebody walk in there to see how many people can you fit in here, you think? Three people, maybe four. Yeah. And it took us about maybe 10 minutes to 15 minutes to put together, to be honest with you. Now the instructions are very thorough. Like I said, a couple of things that were not mentioned is this part right here, but other than that, we're going to show you guys how to lift into the truck. That's perfect. All right, so we just set it up right now. It took us about maybe 10 minutes to put it up here and hook it up. Now, one thing I'm going to talk about, plenty of headspace, all right? And you can hang a lamp up there. There's hooks. But the best part is that you could have two bags in here for any accessories, maybe your phones, maybe extra batteries. But this thing looks incredible. It's big. And one thing, it does have a rain cover that we have here on the floor. We haven't set it up because I want you to see how beautiful this thing is first. So if you're cold at night and you want extra protection and from the rain, you can even add that in there. Now, one thing I like about everything's color coordinated, so you know exactly how everything goes, including the bars. And look at this door. It is a big giant door. Not only is it a door, but it's a mosquito net too. If you want fresh air from the outside, you could it's a translucent mosquito net too. But I'm going to show you some of the best parts about it. It has hooks for every single part that you could set it up. Now, recommendations not to drive it anywhere because it will come apart. You just make sure you do that. Now, the longer poles go on top of the actual camper itself. And if you guys can see, it covers it really well to keep it from any moisture coming in there. And you could fit like maybe 4 or 5 people in here. And all around, very, very simple to set up. It's one of my favorite camping houses that I have here that I really like. Now, you could fit a large inflatable bed in here, a cooler, a little grill, and you could pretty much live in here. This thing is huge. I'll show you guys the outside of it. Let me close it up so you guys can see a little bit better. All right, this is the entire thing on the actual, this is a 4150, all right, flatbed. You guys can know we did open up the hitch, which is perfect extension for the actual camping house. Plenty of windows. You got plenty of ventilation, and on top of that, we haven't even set up the rain cloth too. But I just want you to see the beautiful part of this whole enormous thing here that we have in here. So when you guys are ready for going your summer camp, this is a perfect way. And if rain stops you from going, no worries, you got your cover too. Instructions are very thorough. It was 3 of us. It took us about 10 minutes to put it together, but in reality, one person can put this thing together too and tie it up. So out of the box, instructions are in the bag itself where it goes back into the bag. It has plenty of zippers, double mesh. Besides the mosquito, you got the extra mesh. You got these Velcros here that tie it down. Very comfortable. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.